সবাইকে শারদীয় শুভেচ্ছা। হ্যাপি নবরাত্রি টু অল অফ ইউ। Navratri special South Indian Saree Bengali Blouse. Let's see how can I drape this beautiful South Indian cotton saree. Beautiful achal. Do like this from inside. Arrange like this, one by one. Then you can see all the plates nicely. Okay, I'm done. And now this, do like this and tuck your plates in the center. And now open this and take and if pallo is short, then you can make longer your pallo and then arrange your border like this from this inside one. If you pull it here from inside, then look, and then from outside and both together, and do with your hand like this. Make a small plates here, waist plates, and this now tuck here and here the extra fabrics you can tuck neatly. And this is new saree, that's why like this. You can do it like this, both sides like this, and then it will, okay, look. And now you can arrange this border and that border. Make sure they are visible. Now you can fix it with a safety pin like this. So I hope you like it. If you want a pleat pallu, then you can do also now. You can convert it open pallu to pleat pallu. I will show you now. Just open the pin and then make pleat from inside, from upside. এখন এই ওপেন পাল্লুকে প্লিট পাল্লু করে দেখাবো। তার জন্য এই সেফটি পিনটা খুলবো এখান থেকে। এবারে আঁচলটা নিয়ে প্লিট করব, ভিতর দিক দিয়ে আপসাইড থেকে করতে হবে। You can make here one fold like this and fix with the safety pin and fix it with the safety pin. I'm done.